Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Logically Legal. I'm Advocate Sumit Arora, and today I'll be discussing a must-know topic for all men, which is knowing what to do if a female hits you, abuses you, or harasses you in public. We are stepping into a scenario that often raises eyebrows. What unfolds when a girl slaps a man in public? In this video, we'll navigate through the complexities constituting the IPC and CRPC, shedding light on implications for both the parties. Before we plunge into the legal intricacies, a gentle reminder, our aim is to understand the law, not to endorse confrontations. Now let's unfold the legal narrative. Do stay calm and collected. In the heat of the moment, emotions can surge, but maintaining composure is pivotal to prevent the situation from escalating. Do document the incident. Always document such an incident, anticipating serious legal consequences. If you witness the event with anybody else, I would strongly suggest you to discreetly record it so the other innocent person can be saved. Video evidence can be instrumental in comprehending the context, establishing facts, and saving the innocent. Video evidence saves you from the harassment at the hands of police and will work wonders at every stage of investigation. Now let's delve into the legal dimension. Do not retaliate. Whenever a female hits you, it's always advised not to retaliate. Irrespective of the law being equal to all genders, it is unfortunate to say in most scenarios it is not. Hence, retaliation can complicate matters. Sadly, even if the female hits a man first and starts the fight, the moment a man hits a woman, an entire set of deadly sections come into play. In such scenarios, where a man could be running from pillar to post to tell his side of the story, the woman has the privilege to get an FIR registered against the man in an instant. Hence, it's essential to allow the legal system to handle the situation rather than taking matters into your own hands. If the man responds aggressively, engaging in any form of physical violence or harassment, sections 354 and 354A of the IPC are set in motion. These sections cover assault or criminal force intending to outrage the modesty of a woman. In case of a matrimonial dispute, plethora of draconian laws including cruelty, dowry, maintenance and such are set in motion against the husbands, which I will discuss in detail in my upcoming videos. Legally, assault is impartial to gender. Section 351 of the IPC comes into play when physical force is employed regardless the gender of the perpetrator. Sadly, it's not true when it comes to a legal battle between genders in India. It's far easier for a woman to implicate a man with assault, criminal intimidation, outrage the modesty of a woman and so on. Hence, always remember, keeping calm and composed is the necessity or it will have far-reaching out implications for you. Our legal framework stands on the pillars of equality. As per law, assault is an offense irrespective of the gender of the person committing the act. However, police, while taking cognizance of such an incident and society, while witnessing such an incident, would not follow such mindset. In almost all of the cases, men easily fall prey to media trials, impacting their personal as well as professional lives. Hence, I would strongly suggest to be on the safer side. And if any female is harassing you or threatening to file false cases, then without hesitation, you must dial 100 or 112 and immediately file a complaint to police, which would help you in the longer run. Always remember, recently there has been a strong surge in false cases filed by women in India, which not only denies justice to the real female victims, but mostly punishes the innocent man. Hence, whenever such a situation arises, do not escalate it, but report it to police under section 351, 323, 506 IPC or reach your advocate instantly. In case police refuses to file a police complaint against a woman, I have shared the complete process of reporting a crime to higher authorities such as DCP, SP or Commissioner Office in my previous video. Link for the same can be found below. Always seek legal advice. Do not hesitate to consult with a lawyer to comprehend your rights and determine the best course of action based on the specifics of your incident. Remember, this is a dangerous situation, but knowing your rights and taking appropriate steps can make a world of difference. As Shri Krishna quoted, it is a sin to commit injustice, but it is a greater sin to tolerate injustice. Stay informed, be assertive, and remember that the law is on your side. If you found today's video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's stay in touch on social media platforms while logically legal. Together, let's learn, grow and make a positive impact. If you have any specific topics or questions you would like me to address, please let me know in the comment section below. Your input is valuable to me and I want to ensure that the content I create is relevant and helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Logically Legal for more informative episodes. See you next time.